Hello everyone, Eric here. I just wanted to show you a really cool new feature of Google Forms that I'm pretty sure a lot of you have been waiting for. Google Forms now gives you the ability to give quizzes with grades automatically sent to a Google Sheet. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to do it, and you can use this video to start creating your own quizzes which will automatically be graded. Time savers are good things. You'll notice when you get to Google Forms that you will see there are some pre-made forms already up here for you. One of them is a blank quiz. You can also just start a brand new form, and when you're in this Google form, to change it to a quiz format, you come up here to settings, click settings, and then right here you will see quizzes. When you click on quizzes, you can choose to make this a quiz. You have a few options available to you. You can decide to give the grade to the student as soon as they're done so they'll know what the grade they received, or you can tell them later on your own. So it really depends on if you want the kids to know how they did or you want to wait and share with them later. You can also decide what the students will see. You want to show them the ones that got wrong, the ones that got correct, the point value. For a traditional quiz, probably don't want to show them all of that in case you decide to share that information with fellow classmates. But you can certainly show the point value for each question. And once you've decided on those options, click Save. And now it's exactly the same steps as creating a question and form. You can type in your question, just like you normally would. Obviously, you should probably give your title, give it a name. And as you're going down, you have your options. So I'll say that one's going to be answer number is 2, this answer is 5, this answer is 8, and the fourth is 72. Okay. The biggest difference here is now you'll have to go in and choose the answer key and tell it which one is the correct answer. So click the one that is the correct answer. It says choose correct answer, and you can give it a point value. Let's make this one worth 2 points. And then you can go back to the question, and you'll see, notice there's a check mark telling you that this is the answer that's correct. We're ready to go. To add a second question, just like in a traditional form, click the plus. Test, there's question number 2. Same thing, give them your options. This one, answer 1 is 68. This answer is 34. Second answer here is red. And this one is 45. And once you put on your answers, again, you click on answer key. Again, choose the correct answer. This answer is obviously 68. Duh. And you'll give this one a point value of 2. And then you can go back and look at the question. Your answers is a multiple choice. And when you're ready to go, you just click the send button. I would obviously make it required. Obviously, if it's a test that the kids need to take, don't leave it optional that they have to answer the questions. When you're ready to go, you would send it just like you would any other form. A nice feature in forms, one that I highly recommend you use anytime you do it, is to click the box at the top showing usernames, so that way you'll easily know whose student it is. Here's where you'll go with, you want to send a link, you want to send it via email. These are all the exact same steps. So we can do email, do all the normal steps, click send. At this point, it's completely the same as it would be a regular form. What I would recommend doing is creating a link, taking that link and throwing it into your classroom so the kids can click on it. You don't have to get email involved. So otherwise, it's exactly the same as the form. When we preview it, usually what your questions look like. You notice how it's required. I didn't click required on the first question. I would highly recommend you do that, otherwise the kids wouldn't have to answer it. But I will click this one as my answer, and maybe I'll do that one as my answer. And then once I'm ready to go, the student would click submit, and it's all said and done. I'll go back to the form, and you can see now I have one response. Click on my responses. This is no different than regular form, but now you can see you have a summary of each question based, and you obviously have more results with more people, and you can check each individual person based on their email address and score they received. At this point, you can create a spreadsheet, which you can do with a regular form, a great feature. You click create, and then all the information will automatically go into a nice spreadsheet. Overall score, a list of the questions, what they put, and the username. So at this point, you could send this into a Excel file, and then from there into PowerSchool with a couple of clicks, and the grades would be graded and sent to you. So a really cool feature in Google Forms that people have been waiting for and begging for is now available. Test quizzes are available in Google Forms. So I hope this video was somewhat helpful. Please come see me if you have any other questions and we can dig a little deeper. But another great way to get some quick assessments and save you some time. Thanks, have a great day.